Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is He's a Wonder in My Soul, aka My Soul Loves Jesus. Guys, you know what? This was actually requested by Bernice Hughes. Thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us an awesome song to work on this day. And you know, this is our first video of the year. I think that we should open up with my coffee. I got my coffee. Guys, I want you to go to your refrigerator, go and grab your favorite beverage, come back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite music instructor, me, AK, on today. All right, guys, let's start. We are in the key of D flat. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, you know what? We have Brian Karn in the building. He's going to help us with this song. He's going to use his awesome voice. Meanwhile, we're going to crack our knuckles. All right, we're going to stretch them out. I think we're ready to learn He's a Wonder in My Soul. Let's get it.
My soul loves Jesus. My soul, hey, yes, Lord, love Jesus. I'm trying to find worshipers and folk who come to that old womb of holiness where you had to travail in His presence and say, my soul, oh, yeah. Love Jesus. Come on. Bless His name. Keep it connected. Come on. My soul love Jesus. Everybody say, my soul. From your heart tonight, love in the before Jesus.
That's Brian Carnes with My Soul Loves Jesus. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we start off with My Soul. All I'm doing is I'm playing the 5, going to the 3. My soul. Then we play a regular D flat chord on the 1. Loves Jesus. All right, what did I do? I went loves. This is a F minor chord on the 5. Then we play this nice E flat minor chord on the 5. Jesus. Now we're going to our 1 regular D flat chord, and then we're going my soul. All right, what is that? We're going to the 3. And that is this F augmented chord, right? Going to the 4, and that's a G flat major chord. Loves Jesus. All right. Nice E diminished 7 chord on the 5 flat. Going to the 5, regular D flat major chord. My soul. what did I do? I'm on a 3, playing this nice big chord, resolving with this chord on the 6 flat. Now we're going to our 6, regular B flat minor chord. Love Jesus. Sorry, what did I do? I'm on the 7, playing this chord. It's like an E flat diminished 7 chord, going up to our 1, and we're playing a D flat 6 chord. Love Jesus. Now we're on our 2. All right. Bless his name. What is that? We're on the 6 flat, and we're playing this nice chord. And that's a G flat 6 chord on the 5. Nice turnaround. My soul. All right, what is this chord? You got it? It's a G flat, C, and an E. My soul. We're back on the 1. Loves Jesus. All of that is still the same. I like to do this little walk up right here. All right, what is that? We're on the 2. We're playing this E minor 7 chord, going up to the E diminished 7 chord, going to the 3, regular D flat chord. My soul loves Jesus. Same. We go back to that big chord. My soul. Here's where it changes up at. Love. All right, what is that? We're on the 2. This is a nice church chord, okay? You got it? Jesus. On the 5, we're playing a regular D flat major chord. Bless. What is that? We're playing a G flat 6 chord, resolving with the A flat dominant 7 chord. His name. And that's a regular D flat chord. All right, guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the power of prayer. I remember my childhood like it was yesterday. After celebrating an amazing Christmas with the whole family, my brother and I always had 1 week to enjoy the toys and games we'd receive. Then as New Year's Eve approached, my mom would gather us to pray together as we welcomed the new year. We would take turns. My brother and I would each say our prayers, and then my mom would close. If you have ever had the pleasure of praying with a black mother from the South, you know how long the prayers can get. Every so often, I sneak a peek, thinking we were close to the end, only to find out we were still in the first chapter. I mean, my mom prayed so long it felt like she was slow cooking a meal. You know it's gonna take a while, but it'll be worth it in the end. All jokes aside, I understood that those prayers were the glue that held our family together. They were long, yes, but they were filled with love, faith, and strength. Looking back, I wouldn't trade those moments for anything in the world. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. Thank you for sharing this awesome information to your friends, your loved ones. Guys, this is a new year. I want you to go and tell somebody new that you have not told about this channel so that they can come in and learn just as yourselves. And of course, we have a Facebook page. That is Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Me playing all of the songs I love to hear and play, and hopefully you do as well. And we have a section that is viewers requests. Yes, viewers requests. Viewers requests, you just tell me the song that you want to hear and I will play it for you. Of course, Numerical Melodies, Facebook, viewers requests. Come in, tell me about it. We have a bell. I want you to hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And of course, right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know, some people say it takes a week. Some people say it takes a month. Some people say it takes a year to hit it. I think it takes you 3 seconds. We're going to try it, okay? 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit that subscribe and the bell. Thank you so much. Guys, you are not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.